Hi, my name's Stu, and I'm the owner of 3Print Dimensions. An author once said, if a picture paints 1,000 words, imagine what a 3D model can convey. The key to any design, concept, or idea is communication. 3D printing is now at its forefront of innovative technologies. So this is what it's all about. These 3 prints quickly demonstrate massive form for the design review process. From cityscapes to custom homes to geometries that are too complex for traditional methods to produce.